Hello and welcome back to my channel. Some of you had asked for a video on the Karnataka Shops and Commercial Establishment Amendment. Friends, there was a lot of delay in preparing this video, but nevertheless, I am now sharing this video and hope it will be of help to all of you. I'm Veena and I bring you simple videos on labor laws, PF and ESI. So let's begin with the video and see how to apply for an amendment under the Karnataka Shops and Commercial Establishment Act. What's the process and how to obtain the approval. Friends, when there are changes made to the establishment, then the employer has to apply for an amendment. So let us see what are these amendments and how to apply for it. Change in name of establishment. If there is change in the location of the establishment, change with regards to the company owners or directors details. If there is change to the number of employees, if they have increased, then there is a need to make the amendment. Change in head office details, change in details of the head of the unit. Friends, this is the page where you need to log in, that is the eKarmika portal. For those of you who are visiting my website for the first time, you can see the link and URL in which is provided in my earlier video on the new registration under the Karnataka Shops and Commercial Establishment Act. So once you come to this portal, you have to log in by providing your username and password and the security code and give login. You will come to a page like this, which has home, registration, new renewal, amendment, annual returns, form U, etc. So once you click on this, a dialog box like this will open, which will show you the selection that has to be amendment. So you have establishment details, details of the proprietor, managing partner, nature of business, number of employees, head office details, details of the head of the unit, responsible family member, and declared weekly holiday. So in this case, I have selected establishment details and number of employees, and I'm going to click OK. Once I click OK, we will see a page like this, amendment. So you have to fill in the establishment details with the new one and also provide the information in the local language. Some of you must be wondering what is the fees that is required to be paid for the amendment. So let us see what is the fees applicable for the amendment. If there is change in the name of the establishment, there is no fee. If there is change in the location of the establishment, also there is no fees. Change with regard to the company owner's details, there will be no fee applicable. Change with regard to number of employees will be applicable if there is a change in the numbers, if it has enhanced. So that fee details will show when you log in and put the number of employee details, the fees will automatically come up on your screen. The fees has to be paid on the Khazane 2 portal. So I will cover the payment of the challan in the other video. Change in head office details, there is no fees. Change in details of the head of the unit, no fees. Documents that is to be uploaded. Change in name of establishment. For that, you need to upload the lease agreement, the new MOA, AOA, updated list of directors, and most importantly, the merger order from the court. Change in location of the establishment, upload the lease agreement. Change with regards to the company owners, directors, you need to upload the list of directors on the company letterhead. Change in the head office details, you need to use the lease agreement. And change in details of the head of the unit, there will be no document required. So once you upload these documents, you will come to the last screen where you need to upload the application form A with the seal and signature. So before which you need to print this application here. It is form A, which will appear like this in 2 pages, 1 and 2. So get this signed, and again you will need to come back to the screen, then choose file and upload that form. You also need to upload the old registration certificate and click on submit. On clicking submit, you will get an acknowledgement which states that your application has been submitted successfully under the Karnataka Shops and Commercial Establishment Act. So there is an acknowledgement number also which you can make a note, or you can print this acknowledgement, and I will also show you how the acknowledgement looks. This is the acknowledgement slip which has the senior labor inspector circle number, etc. So you have to submit this to the labor department for taking the approval from the labor inspector. Friends, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any comments, please put it in the comment section, and I will reply to it. Thank you for watching the video.